Hey everyone, in today's video we'll learn how to blur a certain part of your YouTube video, be it text or an image, be it a moving object, and how you can go about doing it via YouTube Studio. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now we go to our YouTube studio and select the video which you want to edit. You have to upload it first and then you can go to the editor. When you click on editor, you get all these options. We already seen the trim and cut option in our previous video. Click on blur. You can either, you get two options, face blur or custom blur. Now first we'll go with custom blur. Now you can see over here there are shapes. So what this basically means is that you can navigate to the part of the video and you can add a rectangular blur, right? You can see this video, you can increase or decrease the size and it will appear in the video. This is basically to hide a certain part of your video which you want to protect, be it a car number plate or your face or any such crucial information which should not be shared with the viewers. So this way you can add a rectangular blur, you can change it to oval. You can see it has now turned into oval, and this is the way you can easily add a rectangular or oval blur. Now, if you want to fix a blur position, that means a video is ongoing, and suppose I want to hide this navigation panel over here. So now I will do is fix blur position. Now let the video, and I can fix the time from over here. For this position, I can add like right now for the first 15 seconds, the blur will appear. So you can see over here, this is there, and post this black cutoff, it has disappeared. So basically, for the first 15 seconds, I have added the blur in a fixed position and then it disappears. Or you can add to track an object wherein you fixate it on an object, and once the object disappears, then it will primarily the blur will go off. Right now, you can see over here it has auto tracked this window and it has disappeared. So this is the way you can add any blur, and you can add multiple blurs also. You can add face blur also. Now there are no faces in my videos, but it will detect a face and then you can apply the blur on your face also throughout the video. So that is the way you can use this blur feature from the YouTube Studio, and you can click on save to apply to your uploaded YouTube video. That's the simplest way to do it on any YouTube video which you uploaded, and then make it public to the audience. I hope this is useful. If you like the video, please do like the video and subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends who are in their YouTube journey.